What you're witnessing in this video is the utter madness that people have to go through when using both national and international discount airlines. When they suddenly find out that they're going to have to pay a ton of extra fees for baggage that they thought complied. Stop the madness. If you're taking Spirit, Frontier, EasyJet, or Ryanair, these two bags are the bags you need to have. So as promised, this is the third video dealing with personal item bags that are compliant with both American and international flights. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you two backpacks. One's a convertible backpack that becomes a crossbody, and one's just a straight up backpack that will comply with all American airlines and most European airlines, especially the budget airlines like Ryanair, EasyJet, and Wizz. So let me give you a little background on how I found out about these two bags. So the first time my husband and I took a budget European airline, it was Ryanair. And we arrived at the gate with our personal size item we thought complied, and we found out it did not comply, and we got a major upcharge. So when we arrived back in England after that mishap at Ryanair, we told my cousins about it, and they said, "That's not the bag you want this bag." And the bag they told us about was Cabin Max. Now they are a Welsh company that this is their business. They make bags that comply with most European airlines. So let me introduce you to the two bags. They're slightly different, and you can decide which bag fits your needs. All items mentioned in this video will have links in the description below. So let me introduce you to the first of the two bags. This is the Cabin Max Metz bag. Now it's a backpack, it's a little backpack, and it complies with most European airlines size restrictions, which means that the bag is 16 inches up, 8 inches in depth, and 10 inches at the bottom. So that's why this is a great little bag to have. Also, Cabin Max is very proud of their sustainability. The bag is made of 100% recycled plastic, which means not only is it water resistant, but it's good for the environment. So that makes me feel good. Okay, let's go on to the features of the bag. I'll start with the bag. It has nice padded straps on both sides that are totally adjustable. And also it has a trolley pass-through, which is great because most of you know that I like a bag that does dual duty. And this means I can put this over my carry-on bag, and I can use this as just a personal item, or I can pack it to the brim, which I'm going to do both. So let's look at the front of the bag. There's a pocket here in the front. It goes all the way down to the front of the bag. And there's another compartment here that has a pocket here in the front, a little zippered compartment here, another compartment here, place for your pens, and a big deep pocket here. And on this side, it has another zippered compartment, and it goes down deep. So this bag has some nice features if you're using it for a personal item bag without using it as a way of traveling for a week. I hope you all realize that when I say a personal item bag, I mean where it's the stuff that you're going to take on your plane, that's your accessory stuff, as opposed to packing this to go away with, and just this. The inside of the bag is this one large, very cavernous compartment, which is perfectly fine. I mean, you can put a lot of stuff in there if you're just using this as a bag to go away with, and you can put a lot of stuff in here if you put it into proper little bags and use this as a personal item bag, the way I use my backpack that I did over here. So I'm going to be doing a 5 to 7 day trip in this bag. Now, this could be a side excursion if you're going to Europe and you want to leave your luggage someplace else, or it could be this is all you want to use it for. And the reason I'm doing this is because bags should be useful not only in Europe, but also here in the United States. So let's see what we can get into this bag. So now I'm going to pack this bag as if I'm going away for a 7-day trip. And I'm going to tell you everything that's in the bag as I pack it. In this cube, I have 4 cotton sweaters and a cotton cardigan. And that I am going to put here, bottom of the bag. In this packing cube, I have 4 short and long sleeve shirts and 7 pairs of underwear, a sports bra, and my pajamas. And I'm going to put this here on top of the other one. These are, by the way, compression cubes. In here, I have a nice big opening, so I'm going to put a pair of jeans in there. A brush. You need a brush. And I'm going to put my toiletry bag at the very top so that I have easy access to it when I'm going through TSA. So now I'm going to zipper everything up. And it fits. So let's do the front compartment. So I have to tell you that this bag will not hold a computer, but it does hold my tablet. So let's put my tablet in there. Over here, I have a week's worth of socks and the cables for my tablet. And all that's left to put in here is my phone, my wallet, and my crossbody bag, because you need one of those. And now let's zipper it up. And it zippers up like a dream. Over here in this pocket, I would put my passport. So now I'm going to strap down the bag. And there she is, all ready to go. I can't believe how much stuff this bag holds. And even though I'm not a fan of backpacks, I have to say, it's a comfortable backpack. So this bag does do dual duty. You can pack it just as a personal item, which is fantastic, or you can take it alone and go away for a week with just that bag. And I think that that's pretty amazing. And please don't forget to leave comments in the comment section below, because I love to hear from you guys. And if you're finding any value in this video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, because that tells YouTube that you want to see more of my videos. So this is the second bag by Cabin Max. It's called the Manhattan bag, and it does have different features from the Metz bag. Now, it does meet the exact same requirements as the Metz bag. So that means that the depth of it is 8, to the height is 16, and across is 10. So this will fit under the seat of most discount airlines. Now, let's go over some of the features of this bag. It has a nice big front pocket that goes all the way down here. It has on this water bottle compartment, or it can be used for anything. I want to just point out that this bag has a much different feel to the other bag. This feels almost like it's leather, but it's not. I mean, I would swear this was a leather bag. So this is where the bag is very different from the other bag. The straps, which are very nicely padded, and by the way, I want to show you, it's also padded back here very nicely, come off from the back. And they have these really, I want to zoom in on this, nice clips, not cheap at all. And they can be put into this compartment here and packed away if you don't like backpacks. Or if you don't want to use it as a backpack. And then it just zips up. Now this compartment is very handy to have because you can put some other stuff in here. Over here in the back, you have a padded computer compartment. So this bag is definitely for a computer. So you might look at this as a commuter bag, which actually, you know, as I said, a bag should perform many duties, so you can use this day to day, and I'm going to show you why. It also has, if you don't want to use back straps, it has a shoulder strap, which is great. But as they say, but wait, there's more. In the back, there's a trolley pass-through. So this bag can be used as a personal item size bag too. But here's where it's really different. It has one very large compartment here to store stuff and a cavernous inside compartment to do packing in. Now, you could obviously put a lot of stuff in here as a personal size item bag, but let's see how it packs up when you're using it for a 5 to 7 day trip. Now I'm going to do the exact same pack as I did with the other bag. I'd like to take a moment here to talk about the differences in packing, and you adjust your packing to fit your bag. Now this bag has a totally different shape than the other bag, so I changed my packing cubes, but the pack's the same. So inside here I have 4 cotton sweaters, 1 cardigan, and my pajamas. And that I'm going to put at the bottom. That's the heaviest part. And here I have my 4 pairs of shirts, long and short sleeves, and my sports bra. That's what I'm going to put over here. Outside the bag. Now I still have depth here. So I'm going to put my jeans here. I'm going to put my handbag on top because I can see I have plenty of room. I'm going to put my toiletries at the top, so they're easy to get to. I'm going to put my brush on the side. Put it on the side. And in this little part here, I'm going to put my cables and my charger for my computer, because this bag has a computer. I'm going to turn this around. And for expedience, I have pre-packed, but this time I put the socks here and the underwear on top. I'm going to zipper up the bag. Now, if you notice, I always think about where I'm putting things, because as you're going through TSA, that's really important. So right here, you can see I would have no problem getting through TSA. Just take it out, put it in the tray, done. Now this time, I am taking my computer because it has an actual computer compartment. I'm putting it in there. Now all that's left is my wallet and my phone. And this bag is packed. And I like the fact that it just stands there. It's really nice. Also, what I really love about this bag is it has a handle on top, the straps are neatly packed away over here, and I can wear it with a really nice padded shoulder strap across my shoulder like that. So this bag could do dual duty as a 1-week vacation bag and a personal item bag, and it complies with most national and international flights, including Ryanair. So I have to say those are 2 amazing bags. And there's definitely differences between the 2 bags, and now you can see for yourself from the demonstration which bag would work better for you. Now, if you missed my other 2 videos on personal item size bags that comply with both international and national airlines, check out the videos on either side of my head. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.